Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to delete your Spotify account. So the first step is to simply go to Spotify and then simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then simply go to account. Now here you're gonna have to scroll down and then simply click on close account, and then here you're gonna have to simply scroll down here, and then you're gonna have to choose. So if you have premium, you're gonna have to click on this one here, and if you don't have premium, simply click on this one here. So after you click on this, you're gonna get redirected here, and then simply click on close account, then click on continue. Then here you're gonna have to check this box and click on continue, and basically that's all you have to do. Now of course you're gonna have to check your email to close, so click the link in the email. They just sent you to this address, so this is gonna be your address, and your account is not closed until you do so. So you're gonna have to click on that link, and basically that's how you can close and how you can delete your Spotify account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.